Hey, Jimmy from Cuff Stuff. Man, have we got a good one for you. Once again, I'm giving up family secrets, okay? This was the way my dad used to marinate steaks. Now, my younger brother kept up with it. Shout out to him. I'm gonna tell you, had it not been for him, I wouldn't have got it exactly right. But this is my dad's steak marinade. He used to marinate ribeyes, and oh, they're so good. And I'm gonna show you how he did it. So, hang tight. All right, well, let's make our marinade. All right. This is about a half a stick right here of just plain butter. It's Land O'Lakes. That's good stuff. And I want to melt it down. Now I'm on medium heat or so. I'm gonna let this melt down. All right, next, I'm gonna start with a half a cup of W sauce, Worcestershire. I was afraid of that. That's why I got the other bottle. Wasn't enough in that one. So, I always keep, now this is just Lee and Perrins, and I keep plenty. You see, I go with the bigger bottle. All right, that's half a cup. All right, next, soy sauce. All right, so half a cup. I'm going to use a third as much soy sauce. So I'm going to use about, that's half of a third a cup, whatever that equals out to. I have no idea. You math students can hit down below there how much that would be. And also, now this is Kinkelman's Teriyaki. You use whatever teriyaki flavor you like, and I'm going to use the same amount of that. That's about half of a third cup. And then this is just garlic salt, and I'm going to put a tablespoon of garlic salt. And let's start stirring this up. And I know this is a lot of butter, but it makes it so good. Butter on steaks, oh my goodness. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and I'm gonna let this get real good and warm and mix all of these flavors in here together. And then I'm gonna take it off the heat, and I may even stick it in the refrigerator for a few minutes just to cool it down, because I'm gonna pour it in with the meat, and I want it nice and cool when it does. So that's it for our marinade. Okay. I've got 4 steaks here. I've got 2 T-bones and 2 ribeyes that I am putting in a vacuum seal bag. Now see, I folded it over. That always keeps a clean edge on it, and it just helps using the vacuum seal. This is the pot. Now, I actually did put this in the refrigerator and cool it down a little bit. I didn't allow the butter to congeal, but this is a wet, dry vacuum sealer. So and there we go. We got a nice seal on top. We've got all these steaks in here, and you see it does pull it down until it actually does pull a little out the top. That's all right. All right, this is going in the refrigerator. Now we're gonna let this go 3 or 4 hours, and we're gonna pull it out, put it on the grill. Okay, we let these marinate in this vacuum sealed bag in the refrigerator for 5 hours. 5 hours, can you believe that? All right, so here are the T-bones that we did. And here are the ribeyes. Aren't those pretty? The color has definitely changed. Made a mess on the table, that's all right. All right, so we're gonna take these and we're gonna go straight to the grill. So hold on and I'll bring you right back. All right, here we go. I'm gonna put all 4 of these steaks on. Now, if you notice, I got a 2-zone fire going here. I'm putting them in the cool zone right there. I'm gonna put the top on it, and I'm gonna close the top down about 2/3 of the way. All right, right now we're showing we're coming up on 350. We're gonna go down just a little bit with the top closed down from that, but we're gonna let it cook about 5 minutes. We're gonna flip them over. Okay, 5 minutes. Let's flip these over. All right, this time I want them to go 2 minutes. That's 2 minutes on that side. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna spin this around, and we're gonna put the steaks over the hot side. There we go. Now, 2 more minutes. All right, 2 minutes over the fire. Let's flip them over. You see, no grill marks. Not gonna be any. Not on this one. This is just marinated meat. All right. 2 more minutes on that side. Okay. 2 minutes on that side. All right. So, how do they look? Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's time to take them off. There you go. Let's take them to the table. Okay, well, here it is. This is my dad's marinated. Look at that. Perfect medium rare. I'm going for a bite right out the middle. There you go. Thank you, Dad. My dad cooked the best steaks, and every time he marinated them just like this. Hey, you want an excellent steak? Here it is. Here it is. Man, that's hard to beat. Oh my goodness. Hey, thanks for sticking around. Looking at my dad's ribeyes, oh my goodness, they're so good. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe. Boop. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up. I'll have another video regardless. Right here, none of this costs you a dime. Hey, until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.